Hi, I'm Sandeep Arya. Uh, what I can say, I'm blessed with two beautiful kids and a wonderful wife. Okay, okay.
First of all, wish you a very happy birthday.
Oh, thank you so much.
Film making is a very serious business. How you got the idea starting Arya Films and all? It's very serious business. You know,
See,
you can make a film, but end of the day, once you are ready with the product, it's really hard to release your films.
Absolutely, absolutely. So it's a very nice question. Even I had apprehensions, I had doubts, but then when you have a wonderful team around, when you have good set of people, when you have the right skill set in place, when you have a wonderful team, passionate people, So I am just blessed with a very, very wonderful team. So by the grace of God, hopefully it will definitely click for us, and you know, we have considered all these aspects. We are new, we are going to compete, but I'm telling you this honestly, we are going to compete with likes of Yash Chopra's, we are going to compete with Karan Johars in days to come. चाहे वो धर्मा हो, चाहे वो कर्मा हो, चाहे यशराज बैनर हो, या कोई भी ए लिस्टर हो, we are here to compete with them.
Okay, do you think that the new trend started in the industry? For example, you mentioned Yashraj and other people. There's a name called Prerna Arora and there's another guy called Arjun Kapoor. They came all the way from Dehradun and they started their company, production house. They given, Toilet Ek Prem Katha. Are you on the same track of a line?
Absolutely, absolutely. And see, today we are not only, there are so many digital platforms. It's not only the cinema that you are banking on. I mean, of course, I may not get a release, or I may not get the treatment the big guys are getting, But then we have other platforms. We have Amazon, we have Netflix, we have this thing. There are so many channels coming up, wherein we can, if we have the content, it's a content-driven industry going forward. So I'm pretty sure we will make good content, and we are here going to stay.
Are you eyeing the digital platform?
Absolutely, absolutely. That's where we are going to start with.
Content according to you will be, you will be working on.
See, these days, realistic stories, stories which are making sense. Gone are the days जहाँ पे एक पेड़ के पीछे, दरख्त के पीछे लोग भागते थे और बस सिनेमा 2-2.5 घंटे में ख़त्म हो गया, 4-5 गानों में पैक कर देते थे. वो सिनेमा नहीं है. हमारे आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हॉलीवुड सिनेमा is coming to India, and people are liking it. So we are going to make some meaningful films.
Okay, what is your reaction being being a wife of? So what was your reaction the moment he said he wants to be in this industry and he wants RA Films to work like this and this is what he has in his mind? What is your reaction?
See, at the end of the day, I think that he's a go-getter and he's very passionate about anything, So I think from childhood, it was his dream to become a director or maybe come on the screen and act as a hero. And as a wife, I think I should support him. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm sure he's going to make it big.
Definitely, we are going to make it big.
Yeah.
Not
Yeah.
Okay,
we as a team.
what's your take? Your papa on the big screen as a hero, as she said.
Well, I know it's been a dream of his since I could remember. He's been telling me that he wants to, get into the industry, and I hope he makes it big, and I hope you get all your dreams.
Definitely. Thank you so much for all the support and good words.
Okay, this is something absolutely different. I've been there in the business as a journalist more than 17 years.
Yeah.
And this is the very first time I'm doing a press con which is happening midnight. How it happened? Tell us how this idea happened and you wanted media to be midnight.
See, trust me, I'm not the one who has planned this. My team has planned this, and it's a beautiful surprise. I'm just, as I said, I'm blessed with beautiful people around. They planned it on my birthday, and I mean, this is the best occasion. We are launching a short film, and it's my birthday, and at the same time, so many things are happening. So good things are on the way.
Okay, short film, if you can brief little about what the film is all about and who are the people coming in, or you already casted someone?
Absolutely, we have an upcoming star. His name is Jeet. So Jeet is the one whom we are introducing him. He's doing the short film for the first time, I guess. Although he has done feature-length films, bits and pieces roles, and he has some good films in hand, wherein he's doing second lead. So we have casted him as along with me, and it's a crime thriller, we can say, and so that's about it. It's a story of two brothers. Uh, Both of them are, one of them is serving in police, and other one is serving in CBI. So it's just it's a
I
beautiful.
thought the other one is the Don. You remind me of Diwar.
No, not Devar actually. No. It's both of them are in the same profession more or less. So different department though. But then it's a beautiful film, and we are looking forward to it.
Do you think it's a high time to be in this business? For example, Netflix, Sujoy Ghost, director like Sujoy Ghost, Farhan Akhtar, excellent entertainment. They have done Edge, with Vivek Oberoi. Do you think it's a high time to go to the business? Because Amazon and they're producing the film, the amount of money they are putting in, it's more than in a commercial masala film.
See, absolutely. As you said, see, there's an answer in your question itself, because you are saying big production houses are coming into short films as well. See, Lust Stories, you can see there were 4 directors, and then it's doing good commercially. And then there were films like the other films, what do you call, Mirchi or Chutney, you can say, and then there are a few others. Tiskat is doing really good, and then Farhan is also doing some shorts, and then you can see Saf recently, he's doing some
Sacred Games.
Sacred Games. It's a kind of, they are doing really good. So, you really don't need those theaters to get yourself, acknowledged. There are so many platforms wherein you can showcase your talent. If you're talented.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. Are you in talk with Amazon or Netflix, somebody?
Absolutely.
Do you think
we
once
talk.
these people come on board, half the battle is won?
See, absolutely. You said it absolutely correct. Half the battle is won if they give you some minimum guarantee amount. Okay, we are going to, fund this film for this much. If you do something good, then we can put X amount more. So it's a wonderful thing for people like us. We are new entrants in the business, and we are commercially, we are absolutely fine. We have in-house team. We are cash-rich company, and then we have a wonderful team.
Thank you
So
so much.
hopefully.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
कास्टिंग की बात करी जाती है, बहुत सोच समझ के कास्ट करा जाता है कि this is what somebody or director or film maker wants.
Yes, sir.
What is the brief to you? The time when these people Arya Films approach you and they want you to be part of this project.
Actually, content is very important for me as an actor. कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट होता है, मैं उसको करने से पहले सुनना पसंद करता हूँ. अगर मुझे अच्छा लगता है तो इट्स कंटेंट इज़ रियली नाइस. अभी साल में मैंने 1 ही 2 फिल्म की होगी. आई एम नॉट इन हरी कि मैं साल में 10-12 पिक्चर कर लूँ और घर बैठ जाऊँ. मुझे अच्छा कंटेंट चाहिए, क्योंकि अभी ऑडियंस ही डिसाइड कर रही है किस आर्टिस्ट को चूज़ करेगी. इट्स नॉट अ मैटर कि स्टार फैमिली से बिलोंग करता है या न्यू कमर्स है. एंड कंटेंट इज़ रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. तो कंटेंट इज़ फाइन, इज़ रियली गुड. शातिर हमारी शॉर्ट फिल्म का नाम है, जो आर्या फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर रही है. तो इट्स रियली नाइस. 2 भाइयों की स्टोरी है, और इसमें मुझे CBI ऑफिसर का रोल करने का मौका मिला है, जो मेरी इच्छा थी पहले से.
ओके, दूसरे भाई के बारे में जानना चाहूँगा. दूसरे भाई को, क्योंकि आर्य फिल्म से आपका दूसरा भाई कौन होगा और उसको लेके आप ही क्या तैयारियाँ होंगी, क्योंकि दोनों किरदार हैं, उन पे ही पूरी कहानी चलने वाली है.
हाँ जी.
जो मुझे समझ में आता है.
तो दूसरे किरदार आपके सामने ही है हमारे कमिश्नर साहब, जो फिल्म के अंदर रोल भी कर रहे हैं.
क्योंकि मैं खुद प्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मेरा खुद का प्रोडक्शन हाउस है, क्या उस बात की लिबर्टी मिलेगी जब हम एक्टिंग की बात करते हैं, when you start, the camera start rolling, क्या आपने सही किया है, क्या आपने गलत नहीं किया है, या आपको वापस एक रिटेक लेना चाहिए? एक डायरेक्टर के भी एक मन में आता है कि
Yeah, I know it's gonna come, but then I have a bundle of certificates, to substantiate my cause to get into acting. So I was awarded as best actor in the university. I studied from Kurukshetra University, Kurukshetra. So I adjudged as best actor for 3 years continuously during my graduation years, and then I did some theatre as well. And luckily, I came to Mumbai in 2012. The only dream was to make movies, but life has different music to play. So I was struggling for like 5-6 years, and then here you go. We have a beautiful production house. We would like to invite you someday. Please do come to our production house. It's a beautiful office, and just look around. That we are absolutely prepared. It's not just that I have money and then I'm going to be the hero. No, it's not going to happen like that. I know my capabilities. मुझे मालूम है कि मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, और मुझे ये भी मालूम है मैं क्या नहीं कर सकता हूँ. There are certain films where I'm not acting, but then there are films where if I see that yes, I can do justice to the character, then only I decided that yes, I should be acting in this movie. Thank you.
यस सर.
क्या आप इस बात से एग्री करते हैं? व्हाट इज सेड जस्ट राइट ना?
एग्जैक्टली. मैं इनके साथ काम कर रहा हूँ, तो उससे पहले हम लोगों ने रिहर्सल भी किया ऑफिस में, तो काफ़ी कुछ आइडिया लग गया है. जैसे मैंने 2-3 फिल्में किया है ना, मैं मिस्टर इंडिया 2012, थिएटर्स का मुझे भी एक्सपीरियंस है थोड़ा बहुत, तो बात करके काफ़ी कुछ आइडिया हो जाता है कि कैरेक्टर्स कैसे रहेगा. एक्चुअली इस स्टोरी में ये फिट हो रहे हैं कमिश्नर, नया सा भी हैं. अगर हम लोग इसमें रज़ा मुराद जी को ले लेते या उनको लेते, वो तो फिल्मी चेहरे हैं, उनको तो लोग जानते हैं, बट ऑडियंस को भी नया देखना पसंद है, नया देखना चाहती है ऑब्वियसली. तो ही इज़ एब्सोल्युटली फाइन इन दिस कैरेक्टर.
Thank you so much.
You said कि कोई इंडस्ट्री में गॉडफादर नहीं था. You said during the course of interaction. Do you think nepotism exists in the industry?
Now I don't think so. Audience will decide it.
Do you agree with this? And you have a dream in your heart somewhere down the line कि मुझे ये करना है.
See, it's a harsh reality. Nepotism is there, but then at the end of the day, your skill is going to decide your future in the industry. Nepotism didn't do well for Abhishek. Nepotism didn't do well for Fardeen Khan. Nepotism didn't do well for so many others. They got some, few chances, but then public rejected them. It worked beautifully for Alia Bhatt. It worked really well for Ranbir Kapoor. It worked really well for few others. So it does exist, but then at the end of the day, it's going to be your acting skills which are going to
really
come to play. So that's my take on it. Thank you.
We are doing
Thank you so
our
much.
best.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
की सुबह पार्टी बाकी है. सबसे पहले तो सर को
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
पूरी
guys.
आर्या फिल्म टीम की तरफ से.
Thank you.
और
guys.
मेरा रोल इसमें ऐसा है कि मैं आर्या फिल्म प्रोडक्शन का मैनेजर हूँ, जैसा कि सर ने बनाया है और काम कर रहे हैं.
Okay. चेक कुछ सबका क्लियर हो गया.
हाँ जी, कैश पेमेंट होता है हमारा.
ओके सागर, आपसे करना चाहूँगा, एक डायरेक्टर की बहुत जिम्मेदारी बढ़ जाती है जब आप इस तरह से एक नए प्रोडक्शन हाउस के साथ शुरुआत कर रहे हैं, और वो भी डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म पे. और कितना चैलेंजिंग होता है आपके लिए कि आप डायरेक्ट भी करने वाले, क्योंकि आप इन हाउस जैसे बालाजी में होता है कि आप सीरियल शूट करते रहिए और घंटे बढ़ते रहिए. आपके लिए कितना चैलेंजिंग रहेगा डायरेक्ट करना, और क्या आपके लिए क्या चैलेंजेस होने वाले हैं, जो चैलेंज आपको लगे ये चैलेंज है मेरे लिए यार ये करना?
चैलेंजेस अभी
पहले परिचय दे अपना. जी.
मैं सागर पुजारी हूँ और मैं आर्या फिल्म्स में क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर हूँ. एंड जो आर्या फिल्म्स का अभी शॉर्ट फिल्म लॉन्च होने वाली है उसे मैं ही डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. सो चैलेंजेस जैसे आपने पूछा था, तो चैलेंजेस मेरे ऊपर एक चीज़ ये आने वाली है, जैसे आपने इन हाउस को लेके आपने बताया कि प्रोजेक्ट्स आते जाने वाले, और उसे मुझे हैंडल करते रहना पड़ेगा. तो वो चीज़ें हैं, अगर एक प्रोजेक्ट ख़त्म नहीं हुई तो हम लोग को दूसरी चीज़ करनी पड़ती है, बिकॉज ऑडियंस एक है कि जो चीज़ें मांगती ही रहती है, कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती है. तो हम लोग को उनके लिए डेटाज देने पड़ते हैं. वो चीज़ें हैं, तो वो एक चैलेंज बहुत बड़ी बढ़ जाती है जब आप इन हाउस कोई प्रोडक्शन हाउस में जुड़ जाते हो.
ओके, उसके अलावा क्या खास आपको लगा, क्योंकि राइटर भी यहाँ मौजूद हैं, और खास करके राइटर से पूछना चाहूँगा कि क्या सोच के जहन में ये लिखा गया, क्या वेब सीरीज जो इस वक्त जो करंट सिनारियो में हम लोग देख रहे हैं, अनगिनत वेब सीरीज आ रही है जो कामयाब भी हो रही है, क्या ब्रीफ था आपको कि ऐसा कुछ लिखना है या वेब के लिए लिखना है? क्या सोच के इन किरदारों का ताना बाना बुना आपने?
जी, सबसे पहले मैं अपना इंट्रो देना चाहूँगा. मेरा नाम मुकेश अग्रवाल है और मैं इन हाउस राइटर हूँ आर्या फिल्म्स में. और जैसे कि आपने पूछा कि क्या सोच के मैंने ये कैरेक्टर्स वगैरह बिल्ड किए, और जो हमारी शॉर्ट फिल्म आने वाली है साथिर, तो उसका कंसेप्ट कुछ ऐसा था, मतलब मैं कुछ ऐसे दिखाना चाहता था कि मेरा जो जॉनर रहता है वो हमेशा सस्पेंस और थ्रिलर रहता है. मैं चाहता हूँ कि ऑडियंस लास्ट तक बन के रहे, और वही मेरा टारगेट रहता है कि ऑडियंस लास्ट में कुछ मतलब कंफ्यूज सी हो जाएगी एक्चुअली हुआ क्या था। तो वो मैं हमेशा कोशिश करता हूँ।
तो प्रोडक्शन की अगर बात करें तो किसी ने आपको कभी ये कहा कि भाई मैं चाय वाय पिला दे तो थोड़ा मेरा रोल बढ़ा दे, ऐसा होता है?
नहीं बिल्कुल ऐसा होने से भी मैं वो करूँगा,
पूरी ईमानदारी से काम करना।
बिल्कुल।
संदीप सर, आपसे चलते चलते एक आखिरी सवाल करेंगे कि आपने जो सरप्राइज दिया है स्टूडेंट ने आपके
जी,
और जो वीडियो आपने देखा
जी,
कितना अट्रैक्ट किया आपको या कितना प्रभावित किया, और सबसे ज़्यादा अगर पूरे वीडियो का पार्ट देखें तो कौन सा पार्ट आपको अच्छा लगा, और उस झाड़ू वाले के बारे में क्या कुछ कहना?
It was a wonderful surprise, and truly it was planned by my wife Ritu, and I am really thankful to her that she planned it. And you know, my team, I'm going to speak with them that how they have allowed and I mean it was so secretively, you know, they have filmed everything, and it was so overwhelming. I love you all guys, and they have planned it so immaculately, you know, and all my brothers, my parents, and everybody wished me. So it's a wonderful feeling. On I've turned 45, and I mean this is the best way to turn 45, I guess. Thank you so much.